Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to backup and transfer your website. So this works in case you want to switch your hosting company to another host, or if maybe you just want to have a backup for your website in case that ever breaks or gets hacked, you have a copy. So this is a website for one of my clients that I'm going to be backing up and transferring to a different host. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your WordPress dashboard after you log in, and you're going to go to plugins. And we're going to be downloading a plugin that is going to help us back up our website in one step and then restore it in one step to make it as simple as possible. So we're going to click Add New. And the name of the plugin is AllinOne WordPress Migrate, but I just typed WP Migrate. And most of the times it will come up. If not, you can type the whole name, but this is the one here. All-in-one WP migration. Sometimes they update the icon, but just make sure the name matches. And click install, and then click activate. Alright, there is the plugin that's going to back up our website. So on the left hand side, we're going to see this option now for the plugin, and we're going to click export. And here where it says export to, we're going to click to a file. So this is going to put our entire website, all the database, passwords, plugins, settings, colors, themes, everything into one file that we can easily move over. So depending on how big your website, it might take longer or shorter. So this one was pretty fast, and it's telling me here that the backup is ready for download. It's 156 megabytes, so we're going to click on it to download it. And we're going to give it a few minutes to finish downloading. Once that's done downloading, you're going to go over to your other WordPress install, the one you want to transfer to. In this case, I have this blank WordPress install, but if you already have some stuff and you just want to replace it, that's fine too. So we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to go to plugins, and we're going to go ahead and add in the same plugin. So this one is the default WordPress install, and that's why it has all this demo stuff installed in it, but don't worry about that. We're just going to go ahead and install the same WP Migrate plugin. So we're going to go ahead and click install and activate it on the receiving copy of the WordPress install. Alright, now we can come here to the left side menu, go to the plugin and click import. Then we're going to choose import from file. And we're going to go ahead and let the import process. Alright, so once it's done loading up, you'll get this screen, and it's letting you know that you're going to get, all the files overwritten, because what you're going to install is going to replace whatever's on your website right now. So we're going to click proceed, and it's going to start loading in all the content. Alright, once that's done, you're going to get this screen, and it's going to show you two things. Save permalink structures. I'm going to show you how to do that. That's something you have to do to make sure all the links work properly. Then leave a review if you want. So next we're going to click finish, and after we click finish, we have to refresh the page. It's going to log us out, and we might have to click update here and continue. And it's going to ask you to log back in again, so you're just going to log in again. And you're going to be logging in with the username and password from the original website, because that login also got transferred over. And now when we go to our website, we can see that the design transferred over. So the last thing we have to do is the permalinks settings to make sure that all the links on the website work properly. So we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to go to settings, permalinks, and then we're going to make sure that it's on post name, and we're going to click save. And that's it. Now all the links are working properly, and the website has been completely transferred from one hosting to another, and all the content is there, all the pages are there, everything that you built, all your plugins, that you had uploaded and all the pictures you had uploaded, your layouts, everything has been transferred over. So I hope this video helped you. Remember to leave a like if it did so YouTube can show it to more people, and subscribe for more videos like this helping you guys with all your WordPress needs. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and have a great day. Bye-bye.